kami guys, yung sunflower, yung gamit namin. Hi, Jander de Kulet. Ayan. 28 million people in the house. Mega love shoutout. Ayan. Uy, bakit kaya ang ingay? Ano ba to? Ayan. Ito yung yung vegan nuggets namin. Ano siya? Medyo mahal nga lang guys yung pagkain ng vegan and vegetarian here. Kaya no choice kasi eh. Mas mura talaga pag yung normal na karne ba ang natin. Kala ko mainit na. Hindi pa siya mainit. Salamat po guys sa mga naka-BG dyan ha. Shout out to Brother Peter from Slovakia, Bratislava, Slovakia. And then we have Stella, Jasmine, Jamie Hardings. 5 lang guys kasi naman, lagay ko sa ng anak ko, baon niya. Tumosang Society, mega love shout out. Bro DJM, kung nakikinig ka, ayan, shout out na kita. To my Thunder, GVT Mix TV. To Glenmar Libria, kumusta ka na dyan? Boses, sabi kayo, admiro mucho, boso na mo. Uy, muchísimas gracias, Jander. Sabi ni Jander, guys, you know that I admire you so much. You are an incredible woman, sabi niya. Nakakaintindi ako ng Portuguese, guys, kaya lang hindi ako marunong magsalita. Kaya sinasagot ko si Jander ng ng Spanish. So, tingnan natin guys kung umabot ako ng 1 oras. Nasa 43 minutes na po ako. Thank you so much for staying with me guys while cooking. Ano to guys, itong vegan nuggets na to is out of green peas and soya. Mahirap kasing anuhin yung consistency niya. Pero normally, gumagawa po ako ng vegan and vegetarian patties, mga ganon. Yung mga croquettes, mga ganon. Jander, cuídate mucho. Ayan, napapa-English na si Jander. Very supportive si Jander, guys. If you want to support him, just visit his channel. Prime Tiger Videos. Is this vegan? Yes, I am cooking vegan today. Prime Tiger Videos. You see, this is vegan chicken nuggets. Well, guys, this is not sponsored, okay? Ayan. This is vegan. I am a vegetarian. Prime Tiger Videos.